In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a timer in Canva. First, open a blank video project, then select the background, then go to the top toolbar and click this color option. This will open up a panel on the left side of your screen, and then you can change the color of the background to black. Then add a text box by going to the text tab on the left side of your screen and click this add a text box button. And then change the text inside the text box with your starting time like 1 minute. Then just adjust the size and position in the canvas. Next, open Spreadsheet. Type the first 2 seconds of the timer. Select both. And drag the corner down until you reach 0 seconds. After that, go to Format. Go to Number. Select Custom Number Format. Choose this one and click Apply. Once you've done that, go to File. Go to Download and set the spreadsheet as a CSV file. Once the file is downloaded, go back to Canva, click on the Apps tab on the left side of your screen, search for Bulk Create, click this app, click Upload Data, select the CSV file you just downloaded, click Open, and your time column will appear in the panel. After that, simply right-click on your timer text box in the canvas, select Connect Data, and choose your time column. Click Continue on the left panel, and then click this Create Designs button. Canva will automatically create a brand new design like this. As you can see, the 1 minute page is disappeared, so all you have to do is just right-click this page, click Duplicate Page, and change the text inside the text box. Finally, click on any page, go to the top toolbar and click this clock icon. Change the duration to exactly 1 second, and make sure to apply to all pages. Now let's click this play button to see the final result. Now to save the timer, you can go to the top corner right and click the share button. Click download. Choose the file type as MP4 video or as a GIF file. And click this purple download button. So that's how to make a timer in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.